forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Number 1, sin inverse sin theta equal to theta. If theta belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, means principal domain of trigonometric function sin theta or principal branch of inverse trigonometry. Cos inverse cos theta equal to theta. Similarly, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta. So we can easily remember all the formulas. Now proof. Proof of first one. Let sin theta equal to x. This is sine function. This is function. We can consider f. And this is x. If f is an invertible function, then fx equal to y implies image of x under f equal to y. Then pre-image of y is equal to x. Clearly, principal value branch of sin theta is this, and we know in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, value of sin is minus 1 to 1. It means sin theta is invertible. So image of theta under f means sin is x. Then pre-image means sin inverse x is equal to theta. And next steps, sin inverse in place of x, again we can write sin theta. So sin inverse sin theta equal to theta. Hence proved. Property 2. Sin inverse x equal to x. If x belong to minus 1 comma 1, means domain of sin inverse x. Similarly, cos inverse x equal to x, tan inverse x equal to x. So all formulas are very simple. Now proof. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta. Sin is invertible, then sin inverse also invertible. So image of x under sin inverse is theta. Then pre-image means sin theta is equal to x. Implies sin, or in place of theta we can write sin inverse x. So sin inverse x equal to x. Hence proved. Property 3. Sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. Means properties of first three are same. Similarly, property of next three are also same. Cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. And sec inverse minus x equal to pi minus sec inverse x. Proof of first three properties are same and proof of second properties are same. Remaining three are same. Proof. Let sin inverse minus x equal to theta. Sin function is invertible. So pre-image of minus x equal to theta, then image of theta sin theta is equal to minus x. And we have to show sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Means there is no minus sign with x. So remove minus sign with x. So multiplying both sides by minus. So minus sin theta is equal to x. We all know sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, and sin 360 degree minus theta also equal to minus sin theta. But we know that sin theta is invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we can take only first one. So in place of minus sin theta, we can write sin minus theta is equal to x. Again sin theta is invertible, so minus sin inverse x is equal to minus theta. Next step, theta equal to minus sin inverse x, and now replace theta. Theta equal to sin inverse minus x. So sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Similarly proof for other two. Now this is different. Proof number 4. Let cos inverse minus x is equal to theta. Again cos is invertible in the interval 0 to pi. So next step we can write cos theta is equal to minus x. अब there is no minus sign with x, so multiplying both sides by minus sign. So minus cos theta equal to x. We all know cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, and cos theta is invertible in the interval 0 to pi. So in place of minus cos theta we can write cos 180 means pi minus theta. Don't write pi plus theta. Next step, cos is invertible, so image of pi minus theta is equal to x. Then pre-image of x equal to pi minus theta. Next step, set theta dead side, so theta equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Now substitute value of theta. Cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Similarly proof for other two. Property 4. Cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 upon x. Means reciprocal of that number. Sec inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 upon x. And special formula for cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 upon x when x is greater than 0, or when x is less than 0 then pi plus tan inverse 1 upon x. Proof of first two are same. So now first we will take first two. Let cosec inverse x is equal to theta. Cosec x is invertible in its domain. So next step, cosec theta is equal to x. Pre-image of x equal to theta, then image of theta equal to x. Next steps, cosec theta equal to x, then sin theta is equal to 1 upon x. Cosec theta is invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus 0. Similarly sin theta also invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So next steps, image of theta under sin is equal to 1 upon x, then pre-image equal to sin inverse 1 upon x equal to theta. Now substitute value of theta. Theta equal to cosec inverse x. So sin inverse 1 upon x is equal to cosec inverse x. Same proof of sec inverse x. Now proof of cot inverse x. Let cot inverse x is equal to theta. We know that cot is invertible in the interval 0 to pi. So cot theta equal to x when theta belong to 0 to pi, open interval. Cot theta equal to x. Therefore tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta means 1 upon x. Now tan theta is invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. but given interval is 0 to pi. Tan theta is invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But theta is given 0 to pi. Theta is given 0 to pi. Means divide this interval into two parts. 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi. So case first. Let theta belong to 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, tan theta equal to 1 upon x implies in the interval 0 to pi by 2, tan is invertible because it lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So theta equal to tan inverse 1 upon x. Now substitute value of theta. Theta means cot inverse x. So cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 upon x. अब theta belong to 0 to pi by 2 means first quadrant, or in first quadrant cot theta is positive. Cot theta is greater than 0 and cot theta is greater than 0 and cot theta equal to x. So therefore x is greater than 0. So cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x when x is greater than 0. Case second. Theta belong to pi by 2 to pi. Clearly this angle does not belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But pi minus theta belong to pi minus theta means pi minus pi by 2 and pi minus pi 0. So pi minus theta belong to 0 to pi by 2. Always write in ascending order. I repeat again, pi minus theta means pi minus pi by 2 and pi minus pi 0, but write in ascending order. So pi minus theta belong to this. Now tan pi minus theta is equal to, we all know tan 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan theta. Tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta equal to 1 upon x. Pi minus theta belong to 0 to pi by 2. In this interval tan is invertible. So image of pi minus theta under tan is minus 1 upon x. Then pre-image means tan inverse minus 1 upon x equal to pi minus theta. We know that tan inverse minus 1 upon x equal to minus tan inverse 1 upon x. Property number 3 is equal to pi minus, in place of theta we can write cot inverse x. Next steps, cot inverse x is equal to pi plus tan inverse 1 upon x. अब now theta belong to pi by 2 to pi means second quadrant, or in second quadrant tan is, in second quadrant cot is negative. It means x is less than 0. Hence true. Property 5. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse plus cosec inverse equal to pi by 2. This is very important property. So many questions based on this. Proof. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta. Sine function is invertible in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So next steps, sin theta equal to x, and here write theta belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In place of sin theta, we can write cos 90 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta. We all know cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Cos theta is invertible in the interval 0 to pi. So please check. Theta belong to this. Then pi by 2 minus theta belong to pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So pi, and pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0. Means this quantity belong to 0 to pi. Always write in ascending order. Don't write pi comma 0. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2, so we get pi. Don't write pi here. And pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0, so write in ascending order. First smaller number and then larger number. अब now cos theta equal to x, so theta belong to 0 to pi, means this is invertible. So next step we can write pi by 2, sorry, next step we can write cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, and sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Similarly, proof of other twos. Relation between inverse trigonometric functions means relation between sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, sec inverse, cosec inverse, cot inverse. For example, sin inverse 3 by 5 is given. This quantity equal to cos inverse something, so we define this something. Let sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to theta. Implies sin theta equal to 3 upon 5. Now this is ratio, draw a right triangle. Then this angle is theta. Sin theta equal to 3 upon 5. Means ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse is 3 upon 5, means we can take 3k and 5k. Then base is equal to 4k. Therefore cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. So 4k upon 5k, so we get 4 upon 5. Then theta equal to cos inverse 4 upon 5. Sin inverse 3 upon 5 equal to theta, and cos inverse 4 upon 5 equal to theta, means both quantities are equal. Therefore sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to cos inverse 4 upon 5. Similarly, tan inverse. So tan theta equal to 3 upon 4, so theta equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. So sin inverse 3 upon 5 equal to cos inverse 4 upon 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. And cosec inverse is reciprocal of sin. So cosec inverse equal to 5 by 3. Sec inverse is 5 by 4. And cot inverse 4 by 3. Let's do some problems. Find the principal value of the following. First question number 1, sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Use property number 3, sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x is equal to minus sin inverse 1 by 2. An angle between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 whose sine is 30 degree, means pi by 6. So you can write minus 30 degree or minus pi by 6. Question number 2, cos inverse minus root 3 by 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse minus root 3 by 2. Again, since cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x, property number 3. So is equal to pi minus cos inverse root 3 by 2. An angle between 0 to pi whose cosine is root 3 by 2. So this is value of cos 30 degree means pi by 6. So pi minus pi by 6 and which is equal to 5 pi by 6. Question number 3. Tan inverse root 3 is equal to, this is direct question, an angle between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 whose tangent is root 3 means 60 degree, pi by 3. Evaluate each of the following. Sine cos inverse 5 by 13. We noted sine inverse x is equal to x if x belong to minus 1 to 1. So using triangle, first change cos into sine. So draw triangle. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse of 5 by 13. So perpendicular is 13 square minus 5 square. So 12. So next step we can write sine inverse 12 by 13. Clearly 12 by 13 is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. So next step sine inverse x equal to x means 12 by 13. Now question number 2. Cos tan inverse 9 by 40. Again we know cos inverse x equal to x. So with the help of triangle, change tan inverse into cos. Let us consider this angle is theta. Tan inverse 9 by 40 means perpendicular is 9, base is 40. So hypotenuse is 41. So cos inverse and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So 40 upon 41 is equal to, clearly 40 upon 41 less than 1. So cos inverse x equal to x. Question 3. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Again we noted sine inverse sine theta equal to theta if theta belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Clearly 2 pi by 3 does not belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Since 2 pi by 3 does not belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Whenever any angle does not belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then subtract this angle from multiple of pi minus 2 pi minus. So now subtract from pi minus 2 pi by 3. 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3 belong to this, belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I mean question sine is there, so taking sine of that angle. Therefore sine pi minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3 pi minus 2 pi. So sine pi by 3. So in place of this we can write this, or in place of this we can write this. So next step sine inverse 2 pi by 3. Sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. So sine inverse, sine in place of sine 2 pi by 3 we can write sine pi minus 2 pi by 3. Next step, sine inverse sine of 180 minus this, so pi by 3. अब sine inverse sine pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. Try extra problem based on today's theory and solve NCERT exercise 2.1. Thank you.